1. Referrals. Usually, people contact their past coworkers when they come to know about a job post at a company. Another great way is to get referrals from your connections. They can help you land your next job at your desired company in NYC. So, what you should do is develop your networks and stay in touch with others by organizing gatherings and reunions. At times, just sending emails is also a good idea to stay in touch with them. 2. Alumni groups. Another great way is to check out alumni groups. Typically, they are willing to offer help, especially in NYC. So, it's a good idea to attend a presentation, panel discussion, trivia night, holiday party, or a networking breakfast if you want to get a job at your desired company. 3. Dog parks. New Yorkers tend to go to the same places on a regular basis. Therefore, if you walk your dog in the same park daily, you will come across your neighbors as well. Some of the most popular parks in the city include Washington Square Park Dog Runs, and Madison Square Dog Run, among others. So, you may come across your colleagues in these parks. Therefore, it's a good idea to visit these parks on a regular basis to walk your dog. 4. Volunteer work. New Yorkers are more than willing to support their community. For this purpose, they organize and attend fundraisers on a regular basis. Apart from this, they also volunteer to give back to the community. So, volunteering offers an opportunity to meet people who can help you get a job. 5. Happy hours. In New York, people tend to grab drinks with their friends, colleagues, and other people after work. Often, these gatherings are also attended by other pros. So, it's a good idea to take this route. These days, some of the popular places where people hang out include Del Frisco's, Red Rooster, and Mad Dog and Beans. By attending a happy hour, you may come across someone who could help you get a job. 6. Coffee shops. Instead of getting into a conference room or renting an office space, New Yorkers tend to discuss their business matters at coffee shops. So, you should stay at coffee shops long enough in the hope of overhearing job interviews, business strategy sessions, and venture capital pitches. Actually, you can find a lot of professional freelancers and other people at coffee shops. So, you may meet them to know more about how you can find work.